So I want to share with you an analogy on how I approach curriculum design, and how it's very different from what you may see outside in terms of what other course creators are doing, or what people in Udemy are doing, what other influencers may also be doing. What I'm doing here is very, very different. I've taken the best ideas from all over the place, but I've packaged it in a, not packaged, I've adapted this in a very different way. See, if you look at the formal education system, it's all about volume of information. It is built on the principles of volume of information. That means the more information you give, then there's more memorization that is to be done. So it's built on the foundation of memorization, okay, and volume of information. And if you look at the students who are able to remember most during the exam, and if they're able to produce that and recall that from their mind, they are the ones who grow up their way in the academia. Okay, so the whole academic format and the formal education system is based on the foundation of memorization and volume of information. Okay, now digital coaching, it is the complete opposite. So if you are thinking in your mind, but by giving more information, your students are going to get better results, it's not true. Okay, digital coaching is about simplification. And I'll give you the analogy is this. Suppose now I'm living in Chennai right now. Okay, so suppose you're also living in Chennai, for example. One option is, I'm going to give you the map of Chennai, and you have to memorize the entire map, so that when you go into Chennai, you will be able to go to whichever zone. If I have to tell you to go to Marina Beach, you should know how to go. If you have to go to Porur, you should know how to go there. If you have to get to Nungambakam, you should go to Nungambakam. Okay. Now the second option is Google Maps. I'm right now in Post Garden, Chennai, and I have to get to, say, Nungambakam. Okay. Point A to point B. Now, do I have to remember the entire map of Chennai for this? It's not necessary. I just need to know how I need to reach my destination. That's it. Okay. Everything else is fluff. Okay. So digital coaching is like that. If you can provide a path of least resistance for your students through your knowledge, sometimes your courses can be very short and crisp and to the point, but that will actually help them reach their destination much faster than you trying to give everything to them. If this was a bulb on for you, just type bulb on in the comment box. That's how you need to approach curriculum design. It's not about volume of information. Yes, I do have a lot of information to give, but still, the way I'm giving it is in bits and pieces. Even Freedom Business Model, it's a 3-day course. Each day you're learning for 45 minutes to an hour. In some cases, it's like 1.5 hours. But I'm chunking it into smaller bits and easy to consume. Now, in spite of making it easy to consume, a lot of people don't finish. And that's why I have the hackathon, where I'm making it even more simpler and easier, where I'm making it into a game. And then through the game, I'm making you go back to watching my videos, which are also short and crisp and to the point, so that the action taking is much faster and people are able to move forward really fast. Okay. So in other words, you got to give people chocolates to eat. Okay. So just type chocolates in the comment box. Give people chocolates to eat. Every piece of chocolate they eat, they should feel like really sweet, and they'd be like, wow, I love this. And they should want more, and they want more, and they want more. And even the way that you structure your curriculum should be that even if they watch one video somewhere in between your course, they should get like immense value within a very short span of time. So for me, the metric and the benchmark is simplification and VPM. All of you type VPM, value per minute. How much of value are you delivering to your students within 1 minute? Value per minute. You don't have to have like a long 1-hour video, not required. If you can deliver that same value in 4 minutes, the essence of it, if you're able to give to them saying that this is why it's important, this is what you got to do, and if you do this, you'll get these results. If you don't do this, these are the challenges that you can face. This is the action you got to take. So every video, when it has like a tangible outcome, like even if they dive into any one of your courses, they're able to get some value per minute. That's what you're going to be. That's what's going to make your course like a real game changer for your students and for yourself. Okay. So for this to happen, the way that I've structured things is very different from what you would see out there in the marketplace. So the way I approach it is a 3-30-90 formula. have a 3-day course, pre-recorded videos, have a 30-day challenge, and then a 90-day milestone. Any topic under the sun can be broken down into 3-30-90. Or if you just type 3-30-90. Any topic can be broken into 3-30-90. Even if you want to teach somebody music, right? Like I'm a musician and I know if I have to learn keyboards in the formal system, doing the grades, it's going to take me at least 10 years to finish those 10 grades. That's like volume of information, lot of memorization, and lot of certification. And it's going to be, that's a long-term game, okay? But if I have to teach somebody piano, right, I can do it in a 3-30-90 formula. 3 days, I can tell them how to approach the learning process. I'm not going to get straight into, how they should start playing the piano. Maybe I'll teach them some chords. I will teach them what are chords. I'll teach them all the concepts. What are chords? What are the scales? What's the best way to practice your scales? And then what you do after that is put them to a 30-day challenge where let them learn and master at least one song, okay? To play one song. Maybe first part of the challenge, they have to learn all the right hand exercises and the left hand exercises. And then by the end of 1 month, 30 days, if they can produce and play a song in front of their family, that is a tangible achievement, okay? And then in the span of 90 days, if they can learn maybe 5 or 6 songs, that's also an achievement. Now, if they have got this breakthrough in 90 days, or they've hit a milestone, then you can take them to the next level, which is a 1-year certification, a 1-year grading system, which is a more long-term, and they have to go deeper into the whole process, okay? So whether it's teaching music or teaching painting or stock market trading or career growth or business growth or sales training or funnel building or copywriting or healing, every single thing can be broken into 3-30-90.
Before coming to ILH, I was a little confused about how to create a curriculum.
I didn't know how to take my passion online.
I had the fear of public speaking, the fear of facing the camera and going all digital.
Through the whole course, I was not just able to create a world-class content, but I was also able to create my own website, which has got amazing feedback. Everything from marketing, Facebook ads, etc., I've learned here.
Siddharth made everything into easy mode. I was able to build my website on my own.
Found it extremely useful, which has helped me to find out my niche. The curriculum is so fantastically designed that it will help you to launch your digital courses. I have got breakthroughs in finding my niche, and it is very useful.
I've not only overcome my fears, but also I have got a great mentor like Sidz and a community which is with the like-minded people who are all on a mission to go digital.